Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. This is episode 32 of Gardening Without Edits. I'm in my late grandmother's house, currently my aunt's house. I'm going to show you that grape plant I keep talking about where my grandmother planted it almost 30 years ago or 25 years ago. It's right over here. So you see we did some more cuttings over here, but there's the grape plant. Look at the base. Let me get close. Look at the base of this grape. I would say 6-inch diameter. Look how amazing this is. So there were vines growing up it, so we have to take care of that. Look how big it is at the base. Let me go another angle. Right over there. Look at how big that is. Huh? And that's Central California for you right there. My word. So that's the cutting I have in my garden. I'll link it up in the video right now of when I was talking about that. But that's the cutting I have that went out of dormancy before any other grape. Even Dave Wilson Nursery Thompson grape. This is a Thompson grape here. Even a Dave Wilson Nursery Thompson grape, my grandmother's grape, same variety, went out of dormancy almost a month prior to a Dave Wilson because of how healthy the soil is. My grandmother did good. Happy gardening, everyone.